Is your home feeling cluttered and out of control? Are you tired of spending hours searching for things buried in the mess? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're uncovering 12 game-changing Amazon finds that will transform your home into an organized haven. From the office to the kitchen and beyond, these must-haves are here to save you time, space, and sanity. Stick around until the end for a surprise pick you won't want to miss. Stackable Paper Letter Tray Organizer. Let's start with your desk. This 4-tier stackable paper tray organizer is a lifesaver for keeping paperwork, notebooks, and folders in one place. At just $26.99, the sleek black mesh design not only looks modern, but also helps you stay productive. Imagine never having to dig through piles of paper again. Whether you're managing bills, work files, or personal documents, this organizer will make everything accessible at a glance. Farmhouse Solid Wooden Mail Sorter. Next up, we have the Farmhouse Wooden Mail Sorter. Priced at $21.99, this vintage-style caddy is perfect for organizing mail, remotes, or small office supplies. Its rustic charm adds character to your workspace while keeping everything tidy. Place it on your desk, kitchen counter, or even your entryway to ensure you're always on top of your mail and essentials. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and hello to the effortless organization. Every Extendable Holder. Moving to the kitchen, this extendable holder is a genius solution for storing jars, bottles, snacks, and even plastic wrap. At $24.99, its adjustable width makes it a perfect fit for cabinets or countertops. Whether you're meal prepping or just trying to keep your pantry neat, this tool has you covered. The sturdy design ensures even heavy jars stay secure, and it's a must-have for anyone who loves an organized kitchen. Food Bag Dispenser. This one's a game-changer for your drawers. The Qtip Store-a-Bag Dispenser organizes your sandwich bags so you'll never deal with messy piles again. For $29.75, it's super convenient for busy mornings when you need to grab a bag and go. It fits neatly into drawers and keeps your food storage bags in perfect order. No more crumpled or torn boxes taking up space in your pantry. Paper Towel Holder. Self-adhesive. For under $8, this paper towel holder is a steal. At $7.99, you can stick it under your cabinet or drill it into place, whichever works for you. It's lightweight yet strong, giving your kitchen a clean and modern look, plus it frees up valuable counter space. Whether you're cooking or cleaning, having your paper towels easily accessible is a small change that makes a big difference. Underbed Storage Bags. These foldable storage bags are perfect for hiding away blankets, comforters, and out-of-season clothes. They fit neatly under your bed, making them ideal for small spaces. At $25.99, the see-through top makes it easy to find what you're looking for without opening every bag. Plus, the sturdy handles make it easy to pull them out when needed. This is a great way to maximize space in bedrooms with limited storage. Over-door shoe organizers. If you're short on closet space, this over-the-door shoe organizer is a must-have. For $28.99, it comes with 20 large pockets, making it perfect not only for shoes, but also for accessories, cleaning supplies, or kids' toys. It's versatile, durable, and a total space saver. Hang it on your closet door or even in the pantry for extra storage options. The neutral gray design blends seamlessly with any decor. Small wicker baskets. These natural wicker baskets are as stylish as they are functional. At $29.99, use them in your living room to store books, throw blankets, or remote controls. Their woven design adds a cozy vibe to any space, making them a decor piece as well as a storage solution. Plus, the built-in handles make it easy to move them around your home. Organizing doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. 4-pack acrylic Qtip holder dispensers. For under $10, these clear acrylic dispensers are a steal for organizing bathroom essentials like cotton swabs, pads, and floss picks. At $9.99, they're compact, sleek, and keep your vanity looking neat and polished. Perfect for small bathrooms, they make everyday items easily accessible while keeping your counters clutter-free. Add a touch of elegance to your bathroom organization. 3-tier hanging wall files rack. This wall-mounted rack is a powerhouse for organizing mail, magazines, or even spices in your kitchen. Priced at $29.99, it comes with door hooks and 6 S-hooks for added versatility. Plus, its tag slots let you label everything for a super organized look. Whether mounted on the wall or hung over a door, this organizer is perfect for maximizing vertical space. Mop and broom holder. Wall mount. Say goodbye to tripping over mops and brooms. This wall-mounted holder organizes your cleaning tools, saving you precious floor space. For just $14.99, it's great for garages, laundry rooms, or utility closets. An affordable way to tidy up and keep your tools within easy reach. The sturdy design ensures your cleaning essentials stay in place. 25 PCS clear plastic drawer organizers. Last but not least, these clear plastic trays are perfect for organizing drawers in your kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom. At $18.99, you get 25 pieces in 4 different sizes, letting you customize your drawers to fit anything from utensils to makeup. They're durable, easy to clean, and incredibly versatile. Transform messy drawers into organized spaces with these handy trays. So, which of these organizational tools caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. We've added links to all these products in the description so you can start organizing your home today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor and organization tips. A clutter-free home isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels peaceful and functional. With these Amazon finds, you're just a click away from turning your home into an organized oasis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.